guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, I don't often do any kind of food related content. It's mostly because I don't cook. I also don't eat a whole lot because, you know, tiny tummy. But I kind of wanted to try something out. I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to see what all the fuss was about regarding HelloFresh. I have to start this video off with a little bit of some background information on this HelloFresh box that I received. First of all, it came in this big box. I am not too savvy with things like this, like subscription boxes and selecting things and yada yada yada. So when I decided at 12:30 one morning that I was gonna try out HelloFresh, I was like, oh, let's get this as soon as possible so that, you know, I could try it out, have a video for you guys, show you guys like, hey, people who can't cook can at least follow directions. Apparently I can't follow directions. I should just not do anything at 12:30 in the morning. So I didn't realize that you can select how many meals HelloFresh will send you in a week. So I'm looking at them and it's showing like 5 meals in a week equals about 2 servings. And I'm like, holy moly, I could have food for days. You know, I could have multiple meals. So I went with the 5 selection. But then I selected it so that it would arrive as soon as possible, and I didn't actually get to see what food they were gonna send me, which means I didn't get to pick which food they were gonna send me, which sucks because 2 of the things they sent me are pasta related and I can't eat pasta. So that's on me. So for this video, I am only gonna be cooking one of the 5 meals that I got, just because even though it says that prep is 10 minutes and cooking is 30 minutes, I don't cook, so it's probably gonna be 3 times as long for me to do any of this. But today's meal of choice is gonna be pineapple salsa pork tacos with cilantro and sour cream, because that just sounds amazing. Now, I don't usually eat pork. I would prefer this to be like maybe chicken, but you know what? It got sent to me, so I'm just gonna eat it. Now, when I cook things, I cook the bare minimum, the basic. I don't get all fancy with things, and yes, this is fancy for me. So I thought I would bring you all along this journey with me as I try and figure this out. Also, something else about HelloFresh, they assume that you already own a lot of these utensils, such as a strainer, small bowls, large pan, paper towels, salt, pepper, cooking oil. The reason why I'm going with this recipe is because I actually have all those things. There was another recipe that I was gonna do, but it expected you to have a potato masher, which I don't have that. So for this recipe, I do really like how they like include directions with pictures, because I'm a visual learner. It shows you everything that you're gonna need for this specific recipe, and then when they send you your ingredients for your recipes, they package everything in an individual bag, which I also really like. So I don't have to scour being like, is this go to this recipe or does it go to that recipe? So this is everything I'll need, plus the pork. So it does say a large pan. This is as large as I get. Hopefully this is large enough. I also do have salt and pepper, as well as butter and some oil. So at least we're good on that front. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up just to see what's actually inside of here. That's the tiniest onion I've ever seen. Itty bitty onion. It's so tiny. It's the same size as the lime. This is fantastic. I love this already. All right, so as you can see, I have an onion, I have a lime, I have pineapple in a cup, which honestly, I really just want to eat it straight from here. But it's an important part of these tacos. Also, this pepper, we have some spice blend, we have sauce. It's a little sour cream pack. It's so cute. We have some cilantro, which leave a comment down below. Are you a cilantro fan or not? Are you one of those people that thinks it tastes like soap? And then we have tortillas. Now this one may get substituted because that's where a lot of the carbs are coming from in this recipe, are from these regular tortillas. However, I have Carb Smart tortillas, which cut down the carbs like in half. We'll see what happens there. So the first thing that it says I need to do is I need to take this pineapple cup, I need to drain it and drain the juices into a small bowl because I'm gonna need it later. This is why I don't cook. I have pineapple juice in this cup, and then I have just the pineapple here. Now I pretty much have to cut everything over here. Now that I have gotten all of this cut up and everything like that, the next thing it says I need to mix in a small bowl pineapple, the minced onion, half of the cilantro, and then squeeze some lime juice and then put salt and pepper in there. So I'm gonna use this bowl. I need to combine pineapple, minced onion, half of the cilantro that I cut up, squeeze of lime juice to taste. And then on top of that, I season with salt and pepper, have this really cool salt container, and then a little bit of pepper. Voila. It looks pretty good. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take some oil in my pan, heat, medium-high heat, the green pepper and sliced onion, a drizzle. I guess that's a drizzle. It's on medium-high heat, and then I have to put in the green peppers and the sliced onion. Cook, stirring occasionally until light and browned and slightly softened, 3 to 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, reduce to medium heat. Gotta season with salt and pepper again. Reduce to medium heat. So now I'm supposed to add pork and the Southwest spice with the veggies. That scared me. How to tell Gretchen doesn't cook often. Every single sound in the kitchen scares her. Alright, so the next thing I gotta do is to pour in that pineapple juice and then the Tex-Mex paste. I gotta put in the rest of the cilantro. Alright, moving y'all over here so we can actually take a look at putting this together. I have my tortilla, I have the innards, I have the pineapple salsa, and then I have sour cream. Get the sour cream. And voila, this is the final product. Alright, now it is time for the taste test. Oh gosh, I'm already making a mess. I'm nervous. Oh my God. This is so good. This is really good, guys. I'm honestly impressed. All right, so I know this is a little bit different from my normal videos, but I just kind of want to try something new. I mean, I don't cook. A lot of people ask me what I eat because I did have weight loss surgery. That's something that I can eat. The tortilla, I would probably substitute in the future. A lot of these recipes I feel like you can do like your own substitutions with, and yes, they send you the food, but you can pretty much find any use for any of the ingredients. So yeah, let me know down below if you want to see more cooking videos with me. It was something different and kind of fun. Special thank you to my patrons. You can help support the channel on Patreon while having access to videos early, viewing patron only content, and more. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be. I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.